ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
Worship the prophet Abraham, yeah?
We don't worship Abraham.
I thought you did.
No. We believe him as a prophet, but we don't worship him. We don't worship any prophet. We don't worship Moses. We don't worship Muhammad, Jesus, peace be upon them. We love them, but we only worship the one God above.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
Okay. Do you worship one God?
Well, I believe in the Almighty, yeah.
Good. Me too. That's a good step, right? Do you believe the Almighty sent us prophets to guide us and show us a way?
Yeah, because
Okay,
what
good.
happened was God sent the devil down to earth to prove that he was right and they were wrong.
Okay.
You know, people like Adam and Eve, let's say,
Right. Yeah.
right back to
Take it back to day one, right? Gotcha.
yeah, and
But
God's
so,
going to come back and sort everything out. But in the meantime, we've got to put up with all what the devil's doing.
yeah, the devil does a lot of evil. So, but you believe that God created humans, right?
Yeah.
And then God sent us guidance, like, from
Well,
Adam onwards.
Yeah, and the devil was an angel in heaven, and then he disobeyed God and got cast down.
We don't believe he was an angel. We believe that the devil was another creation called jinn, because angels don't disobey God, right? But he did disobey God, you're right, and he came on earth as a temptation, because he believed, the devil believed that we were not worthy, right?
Yeah.
And he wants to prove to God that we are not worthy. But Allah knows best. So Allah created us. He sent us in this life as a test. And to help us out of his mercy, he sent us prophets to keep us guided on the right way, right? So you believe, for example, Noah and Abraham and Moses, they were all prophets of God, right?
Yeah. And they found, I think they found the ark, or what they believe to be the ark, in Turkey.
Yeah, I have seen some pictures where they believe they found the ark. Allah knows best whether that's accurate or not. But of course, we do believe there was an ark and there was a flood. And historically, the world was flooded. That's why even in mountainous areas, you will find remnants of seashells and so on. So we do believe that's true. But if we believe there is one God, and we believe that one God sent prophets like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, then that's the Muslim belief. Then you have the same belief as us.
Yeah.
Right? You don't believe Jesus is God, right?
Jesus was the Son of God.
Do you believe he was like a physical son? Like do you have any kids?
No, I'm not married.
All right. You're just living the bachelor life, living it up, huh?
I've got 4 brain ups and I'm a bit of a cripple. So,
Right. Well, you're functioning pretty well. See, this is my son, right? So
that's your shop, yeah?
yeah.
That's your shop assistant, the one who just put his goggles on.
So now he's my son, but he's physically related to me, right?
Yeah.
But he's not me. Like he has his own mind. He's got his own
It's
hairstyle.
only 50% you, because
Right, well, DNA, right? But
Yeah.
do you believe Jesus was physically the Son of God, like from DNA wise? I don't think so, right? Like, doesn't really make sense. God having kids with a woman, like, is he half from God and half from Mary? Like,
he was God impregnated Mary.
wait, do you mean like physically?
Well, I don't know. But
Okay, good, 'cause that'd be
probably
kinda weird.
physically, But, anyway,
I don't know.
He impregnated Mary, not physically.
Okay,
Because he's not a
like
physical being.
ordered Mary
And,
to have a child without a father.
yeah. And,
Okay,
I mean, the Christian belief says that he was born in a stable. And,
okay. But what do you believe?
Well, this is what I've read, and this is what I've been brought up to believe.
But I mean, there's difference in what they've told you in church or family,
Yeah, but-
and what's your name?
John.
John, in your heart, do you believe God has a physical son named Jesus? Or do you believe that's more of a metaphor for being close to God? Like the Bible talks about many...
Jesus was put on the earth
Okay,
to teach people about God. And
okay,
the Jews didn't believe he was the Son of God because he was a humble character.
Okay.
I think they expected somebody on a white shining horse,
Right,
and,
right. Armor,
gonna sort everything,
wings and stuff.
or whatever,
Well, I got you. So you believe Jesus was put on earth to teach the Jews or Ben Israel how to live well.
Well, to teach people how to live, yeah. And
But that's a prophet. Like Abraham was the same thing, right?
yeah.
Moses, Ten Commandments,
Yeah.
right? So really, John, in your belief, you're closer to the Muslim belief that he was sent by God to teach people how to live right.
Yeah, it was put on the earth to,
There you go, to bring a message.
yeah,
That's a messenger,
yeah.
right? Adam had no father or mother, right?
I don't know about that.
You think Adam had a father?
I thought Adam was just like you and I, just come to the earth like you and I,
Well, no, because me and you were born from mother and father, right?
Yeah, but I would have thought that he was, and then he was chosen by God to.
If he was born from a mother and father, he wouldn't be the first man then, right?
No, Adam and Eve were the first
Man and woman.
man and woman, yeah.
So if there was one before them, then they wouldn't be the first, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so God created Adam, right?
yeah.
He wasn't born out of a woman.
No,
Okay,
No,
but that doesn't make Adam physically the son of God, right?
no, Adam was the husband of Mary who gave birth to Jesus.
Oh no, Adam was not the husband of Mary. Adam is the husband of Eve. You're thinking Joseph.
No, Joseph. Oh,
Yeah, that's later, right? All right. So Adam is the husband of Eve, right?
Yeah.
And Eve has no father or mother. Adam has no
'cause
father.
they're the first people on earth.
There you go. So that
Yeah.
means that they were born miraculously by the order of God. God created them, created Adam in his own form, and then created Eve from his rib.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean they're physically the sons and daughters of God, right?
No.
Okay, good. So in the same way, Jesus is born miraculously, but he's not physically DNA from God. He's an order from God.
Right.
Makes sense. So Adam is a prophet, Abraham is a prophet, Moses is a prophet, David, Solomon, Jesus, Muhammad. These are all prophets that were sent by the one great God to show humanity how to live, not to fall for Satan's tricks, right?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm with that. But that means you're Muslim. In your belief, right? Have you read the Quran?
Doesn't mean I'm Muslim. It means
Why not?
I've probably got the same beliefs as a Muslim.
Okay, good.
But
So let's get you
I don't go to
a mosque.
a mosque.
Well, let's get you there. Right? That's it. You got to cross that finish line, right? You already have the belief of a Muslim, right? And it makes sense to you, right?
Yeah.
Islamic belief, one great God, not a human, not a monkey, not a cow, not something we can give image to. We believe in him as he has revealed about himself. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
That great God sent us prophets, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, as prophets, as guides. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. The Muslim sense belief makes sense to you. So, to be a Muslim, you testify, you say, I believe there is none that are worthy of worship except that one God. I believe Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad were prophets of God, servants of God, not God themselves. And then you'd be a Muslim. And then we'll take you to the mosque, we'll break some bread, eat some food. You like biryani, we can have some chai. You feel me? What do you think?
I respect people's religions.
Good.
When they do things in the right way.
Good.
But unfortunately, and it's not only you're the Muslims who sort of like go mad and create havoc.
Everybody, atheists do, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and Christians.
Christians for sure, Jews,
and Catholics,
Hindus,
they've all been at it,
Buddhists.
you know?
Yeah. I mean, look at the Spanish Inquisition, right?
Oh yeah.
Pretty murderous, right?
Yeah.
But again, all that is people's actions. Leave that alone. John, I'm talking about your belief. Do you testify that there should be none being worshipped except one God?
Oh, God created the earth, so
Yes. There you go. And you believe that God loves us, sends us prophets, right?
Yeah. But I mean, the Romans, they had many gods, didn't they?
They thought they did, but those are false gods, right?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously,
They believed they had,
they believed in weird things.
Mars was the god of war, for instance.
Right. And then they lost the war, so I guess they didn't do too well with that. Yeah. I mean, again, the Greek idols and the mythology of Hercules and Zeus and Roman gods and gods having sex with women and having half godlings and all that. That's all nonsense, right? It's all human-made, imaginary stuff, right?
Yeah.
Just like people believing that a cow can be God. Like a cow can be a good burger or a steak or something, but that's not God, right?
Well, the Indians sort of like believe in the sacred cow, don't they?
They do, yeah. I believe in a tasty cow. That they're tasty.
Beef steak.
There you go. Yeah. Don't leave me hanging. All right. So, do you testify that there should be none worthy of worship except Allah, the one God above?
Yeah.
Good. And you testify that Jesus, Muhammad, they were messengers of God?
Yeah.
Then you're Muslim. We're going to take you to the mosque tonight. All right. We'll do it. We'll do it together. Okay. We'll do the testimony. I'll say it. You say it with me. Okay. The same testimony. Say, I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none worthy of worship.
There's none worthy of worship
Except Allah.
Allah.
And I bear witness.
I bear witness
That Muhammad.
That Muhammad
is the servant.
Is the servant.
And messenger of Allah.
Messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. There you go. Give me that. Give me the pound. Give me the pound. I'm going to do it in Arabic. Say it with me, okay? We're going to keep the pure language. Just pronounce it with me, okay? Ashhadu.
Ushhadu.
Al. La. Ilaha. Ilaha. Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa.
Wa.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna. Muhammada.
Muhammada.
Abduhu. Wa rasuluhu.
Walasulu.
Allahu Akbar. You said that really well. Let me get you the brother's number. He's from Leicester. I'm not from here.
Welcome.
He'll bring you to the mosque. You want to have some food with us tonight? And
I'm busy tonight.
all right, tomorrow night, inshallah. Get the brother's info as well, inshallah. We'll keep in touch. You haven't been to a mosque yet, right?
I haven't. I've been by them.
Oh, we're going to bring you in one, right? All right, inshallah.
أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني